Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, 4 months after they perished in a fire, the three siblings from Walkerswood in St. Anne were laid to rest today. We have the details in this report.
It was an emotional Saturday for the persons who gathered at the Walkerswood Baptist Church. In this small casket are the remains of the three children who died in a tragic fire on Sunday, January 12. Even though time has passed, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, says the incident will forever be etched in the minds of residents and the family of the deceased children.
When I come into this church today and I look at the coffin, a miniature coffin with three bodies in there, it tells you the extent of the tragedy that I witnessed. And to express the horror, the fright, the smell that radiated from that presence is beyond words. You have to be there to experience it.
The children, Tashana Mattis, 7, 2-year-old Tavarna Mattis, and Tashani Mattis, 4, were left home in the care of their grandmother by their mom. On the fateful early Sunday morning in January, fire was reportedly seen coming from the room they occupied. Their grandmother and other sibling managed to escape. Residents tried to rescue the children, but it was too late. Despite their young age, family members remember them as being full of life with a bright future ahead.
We remember the children as bright lights in the lives of those who love them. Their smiles, laughter, and joyful spirits will be deeply missed.
Tashana Mattis Titi, Tashani Mattis Mischin, Tavarno Mattis Vano. Gone too soon, but not forgotten.
The incident has sparked renewed debate about fire prevention and safety, specifically as it relates to children. The Jamaica Fire Brigade promised to ramp up its public education activities through the Fire and Life Safety Program with a view to preventing further loss of lives. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.